Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show. Today, you're getting a bonus video. What I'm doing today is a collaboration with a bunch of other fellow YouTubers on how we all use Dr. Gregor's Daily Dozen app. So we're all going to show you some of the things that we make in our days to fill the quota for the Daily Dozen. Hope you like it.
Whole food, plant-based, it's the best thing for our taste. So pull up a chair and grab a plate, 'cause it's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
So my morning typically starts out with a bowl of what I call cereal, which is about a half cup of rolled oats, a tablespoon of flax meal, and this is one of my go-to breakfasts. It's really simple, really quick, and it's a great way to just pack in a whole bunch of nutrients. Then about a handful of dried mulberries, and I will give you a link in the description below to where to buy those. And then about a half a cup of wild organic blueberries that I buy from Trader Joe's, but you can just use regular blueberries if you choose. And then just a few raw almonds, just to give it that really nice crunch. And I like to keep the blueberries frozen because when I put in the almond milk, which is an unsweetened almond milk, you can use any plant milk that you choose also, but it makes the cereal really cold and crunchy, which is what I really love. And then I go on to Dr. Gregor's Daily Dozen app, and I check the boxes to what has been in my first meal. And then I go to lunch. And for lunch today, I'm gonna have a massaged kale salad, which I will give you a link in the description below. And then about midday through my day, I'll have a piece of carrot cake with a cup of Creole brew, which I'll also give you a link to in the description below. And then I'll go back to the app and check off what was in that meal and mid-meal. And now we're on to dinner. So tonight's dinner was a bowl of minestrone soup, and topped with a few green onions. And this is a nice, hot, hearty soup. A little cracked pepper, and a slice of sunflower seed bread with a little bit of avocado, about a half of an avocado spread on top. I like to use this bread because it's very minimally processed and it has very few ingredients, and you can buy this in the main aisles of the grocery store, usually in the international section. And then along with my dinner, I will have about a half of a jar of Synergy Passionberry Bliss. That is my favorite flavor of Synergy kombucha. So then I'll go back to the app and fill in the rest of the day to see if I've reached my quota for the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed our Daily Dozen show, and if you want to check out the other YouTubers' shows, look in the details below and I'll give you a link to all of their shows. And I'll see you next time.